What's going on, folks? Welcome back to Block Party. We have a quick tutorial, and I just want to show you guys really quick. I get asked all the time, does this come with an antenna, or like how am I going to be able to listen to the radio without the antenna? And you can always order antennas, and there's always stuff that you can order on eBay. You can order the depending on what type of connection you have in the back. If it's a British Naval connection, you can order one of those. You can order the ones with the little prongs on them. And then that actually goes through a BNC, or you might just have one that has prongs. There's all different types, right? But I think the simplest type to make is you can just take copper wire. You have some laying around, you can use speaker wire. I often use speaker wire when I'm demoing receivers, and you see me go to play the radio. It's a usually copper speaker wire that I'm using in the back as the antenna. That's how you're hearing the radio signal. So it's nothing fancy. It's nothing crazy. What I've done is I've taken this this cable that I just had this laying around from when I worked on cabling projects and stuff like that. So it's just like 24 gauge. It's really thin. You usually use your teeth to strip it. Nothing crazy, right? And I've got two little wires here that I've stripped. And I've only stripped off like maybe half an inch. So there you go. There's that. Two little copper wires with half an inch, right? So right now we're looking right there, and there's no signal, right? So Sansui 3300, we got zero signal. That's our big problem, and it's confirmed with static, right? Nothing's going on there. So what I'm going to do is on the back of this, there's a couple FM connections on the back. There's actually three FM, 2 AM, and I'm just going to plug one of these into the first FM slot, and you're going to hear immediately the radio. So let's just go ahead and do this, and you'll see the signal change too. Easier said than done when you're pretty much flying blind with this. There it is. There you go. Look at that. It's not perfect. I'm gonna flip it around so you guys can see what I did on the back. Super easy though. You're gonna kick yourselves. So like maybe you spend a whole bunch of money on like a special radio antenna, and all you could have used was copper wire. So here it is. It's right here. This is the signal right here. So it's just coming off of this. Pull this out. There it is. You got static again. There it is. And so you can plug this into a AM as well. So that way you get an AM signal. Let's see, let's go jump over to AM.